Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect southern fried catfish right at home. Not bland, not greasy, perfectly seasoned, okay? And golden on the outside, extremely crispy and tender and flavorful on the inside, okay? Let's get into it. To begin, I have about 4 catfish fillet here, which is a little bit under 2 pounds. I'm going in with my buttermilk. Buttermilk is always a must for me when I make fried fish. Not only it removes the fishy taste, also it kind of tenderizes the fish a little. Also, I'm going in with some hot sauce. Trust the process, it's not going to be spicy, okay? Always add some mustard as usual when making fried fish. And also I'm going in with 2 eggs. This is a little messy, but you guys get it. Just add that in. It's gonna make it nice, nice and crispy. Just pour that, little eggshell. And also, we're going in with salt and pepper, a little bit of club soda because club soda makes everything crispy for me. Anything I'm frying, I add a little bit of that club soda in there. Okay, and just give it a mix. Mix everything together, okay? You want the fish to really soak in there. Now let's cover this, allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes, okay? Just place it in the fridge. And now we're going to make the sauce, the delicious sauce that you need to eat this fried fish. All right, guys, let's make that delicious sauce, okay? The base is mayo. We're going in with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. All right, next we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of relish, sweet relish, okay? Gonna add a little bit of sweet and tangy because we're adding lemon. A little bit of capers. If you don't like it, just leave it out. Just gonna add about 1 tablespoon as well. A little bit of lemon juice, 1/2 juice of a lemon. Perfecto. Next, we're going in with some Dijon mustard. Shake it because I hate when the water comes out. Ugh, so disgusting. But there you go. About a teaspoon of that. And also I have salt, pepper, onion powder in here, and garlic powder. Just add that in. Give it a mix. Please taste this to your liking. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper because we love it. We love a little kick in here. All right, let's add that cayenne pepper in there. About a pinch, or however you can handle. Just give it a mix. Ooh. Let's taste it. That's so good. If you love these type of sauce, you're gonna love this. But some people just like their fried fish with hot sauce. It's perfect. Now I'm going to cover this, place it in the fridge while I fry the fish. Now listen, if you're making fried fish and your flour, your breading is not seasoned, listen, your fried fish is definitely going to be bland. We're going in with 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Now we're going in with 1 cup of cornmeal. And also, these are all the seasoning you need. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of my Island Everything blend, cayenne pepper. Make it taste good, okay? And give it a nice mix. It's time to fry. Open all the windows, all the doors, because we love the fish, not the smell. But now I'm going in with the fish. Allow the excess to kind of drip before you add it to your dry ingredients. Perfect. Flip it over. Let me tell you, this fish is gonna come out so good. Y'all know how we fry anything up in here, okay? So now, it's a big fish fillet. Allow this to drip some more. Make sure it's nicely coated. This is a big fish fillet right there. Give it a quick shake. Should I cut this in half? Yeah, let's cut it in. I had to cut that fish. It was too big. Just add that in here. And I'm gonna add the other piece. Oh, yes. Now we're going to fry these for about 4 to 6 minutes. Depend how big they are. Once they're nice and golden brown, I'll remove it and show you guys what they look like. Time to remove our fish. They're looking so good, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, that looks real good. Ooh, that looks real good, y'all. I'm gonna place it on a cooling rack for now so we can kind of drain the grease. Look at that. Ooh, look good. Absolutely, yes, ma'am. We are completely done. 4 minutes, okay? All right, it is time to remove these. Even better, so golden brown and crispy, okay? Oh my. Ooh. All right, guys, let me fry the other one and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, our fish is done. Come take a look, okay? It looks good. Guys, when I tell you the crunch, hold on. I want you to hear it. Do you hear that? Yeah, crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside. Let's try it, y'all. Ooh, oh my gosh, that sauce though. Just dip that in there and take a bite. Sorry, y'all. I'm already eating, okay? Let's try it. Listen, the flavor is to die for. That sauce, you got that lemony, tangy. Oh, yes. And I thought it was gonna be spicy. It's actually not. Got a little kick, but it's nothing you can't handle. So good. You'll see it, flaky, perfectly fried, not overcooked. Yeah. And just like that, you can make fried fish at home better than any fried fish you've ever had. I hope you try this out because it's so bomb. And thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. If you enjoy it, if you find it helpful, hit that video with a thumbs up, girl, because I know you love this recipe. Also, subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye, guys.